In this tutorial, I'll be talking about two important requirements that you need as somebody wants to learn programming. So number one, what you need is a laptop. If you want, you can use a desktop. It's okay. But of course, with some minimum specification for that laptop or desktop that you're going to be using. If you want me to work on a video to just specifically talk about the minimum specification for a laptop, is it a desktop for a programmer, then let me know in the comments section. The second thing that you just need is the internet. I want to believe you are watching me because you are connected to the internet, and you'll be able to follow most of my tutorials because of the internet. So that's the second requirement. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next tutorial, I'll be introducing programming to you. I hope you are ready for coding bars. Yeah, see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.